Happy Vlogmas day 6, guys. I hope you're all doing really well. I look like something that fell out of a bin and was dragged backwards through a bush. I'm going to do a bit of tanning today, and then I'm going to have a shower when the tan develops. I definitely feel like my skin is like a little bit less pale than it was. It was looking like sickly pale there for a while. I haven't taken any extra iron supplements, but I am increasing iron in my diet, so perhaps maybe that's it. Patty and I are going to have a movie day today, and we're going to start off with Trains, Planes and Automobiles. I don't even know if he's ever seen that movie. He doesn't really do, not that he doesn't do the Christmas movies, it's just my sister and I think are just obsessed with Christmas movies and Christmas feeling movies, and like all the Indiana Jones and all the Back to the Futures all over Christmas. So he's just never really done that until last year, and we watched so many movies, the pair of us. Like Patty and I just watched like all the Gremlin movies, we watched all the Indiana Jones, all the Back to the Futures, and then all like the Home Alones, everything. Like we watched them all together, and then my cousin was home, obviously Dylan, and we all just stayed in and watched movies all over Christmas. So he's definitely not used to doing that, but because of lockdown and stuff, I can't think of anything better to do than sit at home and watch a movie. I know lockdown's kind of been lifted, but it's not like you can go like a huge amount of places, and we have a frozen fog right now. It's so foggy today, guys. Like I can't wait to show you this. Like it's super foggy, so it just feels real Christmassy. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna watch a movie. But I want to put tan on because I just feel like it might make me feel a bit better. I'll show you the tan that I'm using because I get an awful lot of questions about it if I don't show it, so I will. I don't know if you can actually see that, but that's currently what my back garden looks like. It's so foggy. Like you can just see all the fog if you're looking over to the green behind my house. Like it's just super foggy. Everything is so foggy. So we won't be going very far. I'm not driving a car and that. Like the fog's really thick. Like there's a house right there and you can't even see it. Like right there there's a house. It's just so foggy, so we won't be going anywhere today, but it's just nice to have a frozen fog and stay in and watch movies. So as you guys may or may not know, depending on how long you've been watching my channel, I suffer from eczema. Now thankfully I haven't had breakouts in eczema in a long time. I was actually afraid that I was going to get a breakout from eczema during pregnancy because I know an awful lot of women do, but thankfully everything has been a-okay in that department. However, some tans severely irritate my eczema. They're just, whatever dye they use in it or whatever is inside the tan just irritates them. But these are the two tans that I definitely can use all the time without fear. And the third tan, which I don't actually have at the moment, is the Bondi Sands. These are the ones that I'm currently using quite a lot. Bare by Vogue Williams is such a good tan, really deep, very long lasting, washes off nicely. I love everything about this, so I highly recommend that one, especially because it's an Irish brand as well. And then the Loving Tan, which is an Australian brand, which I really love, and I use the Ultra Dark or the dark. They kind of both look really amazing, and it's just a great product, and again doesn't irritate my skin or anything like that. It's just a really good tan, so I highly recommend those two. And then the Bondi Sands would be the other one that I would recommend, but they are super good and they wash off nicely. They don't irritate my skin and they don't fade kind of patchy or anything like that, so I highly recommend those. Put the Bare by Vogue on. I have a little bit of dry skin on my arm, so it's kind of like clung to that, so just ignore that. I'm gonna wash it later. And my skin's just ridiculously dry since getting pregnant. I've talked about that multiple times, especially my scalp, and you guys gave me great shampoo recommendations for dry scalp, so I'm just gonna research them all and see which one would be most suited. Oh my god, yeah, I've never talked about this on camera. Hang on, I'll get it now. I was in Boots the other day before they lifted the lockdown, and I really needed an eyebrow pencil, and I went to kind of like every stand and I was like, oh, I don't know how I feel about them. Then I seen this one from the XX Revolution, and it's the Fine Brow Pencil. I picked it up just thinking I'll be alright, and I've been using it in my brows ever since. Been obsessed with it, and I picked up a backup of it the other day. I'm in the shade, I think, medium brown. I have the box off the new one here, so it's medium brown. Such a good product, guys. I'm actually shook at how good it is, and I feel like it really fills in my brows quite nicely. I've always used the Benefit Brow products, and they're just quite pricey if you're repurchasing them so often. This one's definitely way better for the price, and I just love the quality of it, and it was €8, so you really can't go wrong. Absolutely obsessed with it. Right, so we're gonna go make some hot chocolate right now and watch Christmas movies. Paddy's lying on my bed. The bed that I never sleep in. I haven't slept in this bed in like 2 years. I sleep in the spare room. This is just like my room with my stuff in it, but I don't sleep in it because there's no double bed in it. But anyway, we're gonna go down and make our hot chocolate. How do you think you feel about that?
Let's go.
Feeling good about that? Marshmallows? Cream? We don't have any cream. Just marshmallows?
Yeah, just marshmallows.
Okay.
Sorry.
And there's Cadbury's hot chocolate or there's Galaxy hot chocolate.
So you're talking to me?
No, I'm talking to
Sorry about the match.
Oh, what's the score of the match?
France is winning 13-6.
Ooh, go France.
That's in Twickenham as well.
Oh, England will not be happy. The rugby match is on. Obviously we won yesterday, which we're delighted about when we came third. And the two teams that beat us, England and France, are playing today. And France is beating England, which I'm very happy about because...
The French team are good.
Well, I just think, yeah, I think the French team are really good. So I'm really happy that they're winning. Like, obviously, if England are playing good, like, they've beat a lot of teams. But I just feel like the new French team are just gelling really well together. They have a new manager. They have a lot of new players. And I just... Yeah, I think they deserve it. I think they do. So I'm looking forward to that. What did you say the score was again?
13-6.
But one try in conversion and it's lights out.
Let's go make this chocolate.
Right, we're gonna make our hot chocolate now. So we're actually had a change of plans. We're going to Tesco's because we're making chicken curry for dinner and just realised that there is no chicken curry sauce, and I was craving chicken curry last night, so I have to have chicken curry tonight. I feel like that cold air has got into my chest. We are going to pick up some sauce. Yeah, very excited about that. So we're going to Tesco's. The fog is thick, like so thick out. Whilst we're there, we're going to get some spray cream, I think, for our hot chocolate. And I have like 3 layers on me and I'm still cold.
We were going to go for a drive today,
in the shop. We were going to go for a drive today, but the fog is so thick that like it's just... It's not really safe to drive in, is it?
Please can't see anything.
No, I can't see anything. I can see you though. Look at you. Paddy has made great progress on the painting.
Oh yeah.
It looks so good, but we had like a little tiny picture of the painting and we've lost it, so I don't know. But I did not lose it. You lost it. You were in charge of all the supplies this morning. But he's making great progress on it, except for now his neck is sore. And a lot of you guys are asking in my last couple of videos when we're doing the Q&A. When are we doing the Q&A?
It's up to you. It's your channel. I won't go anywhere.
Okay, so when would you guys like to see it? You can film it. I'll ask on my Instagram what questions you want us to answer. I know the biggest one is going to be how we met.
I don't know you.
It's a very interesting story. It's a very unusual story. It's not really like the most... I don't know anybody who's met this way.
I haven't heard of it, no.
No, I haven't heard of it. I'm sure somebody has met this way, but I haven't heard of it. So we will do the little story time of how we met and then a couple of other like Q&As. I'm sure they're going to be all like related to the baby and the pregnancy and it's for sale. There's a lot of houses for sale around here. We're gonna find our house. We're still house hunting, kind of just looking at like houses all the time. But yeah, you want to build a house.
Yeah.
He just wants to come out to site and like be able to see and be like, oh, everything's going really well, and that's exactly what I want. Be like somebody giving me, you know, meal plans. No, I can make up my own meal plans. I'm a nutritionist, so you design and build things. You want to be able to design and build your own home. It's a bit different than making nutritional plans.
I'll let you help out as well.
What, building the house or drawing the plans up? Oh good God, what way would it be? Like a little like matchbox. Ah, that'd be grand.
Like a walk-in wardrobe or
Are you gonna make me a walk-in wardrobe?
No, why not? Studio.
A studio? Oh, that would be so nice. And then your own office.
Yes.
How big is this house gonna be?
Big.
Like how many rooms?
It'd be like your standard 4-bed, whatever, but it'd be big though.
It's gonna be bigger, need to be bigger than that, having a studio and then you want a whole clatter of children and then...
3 kids before.
Only 3. Yeah, so we'll just shove them all into one room and then we'll have our studio and you can have like your office and then we'll have our room with our walk-in wardrobe. So the kids can go into the box room.
Oh yeah, just shut them all in. It'll work, it will work.
And then we'll have like a dog probably as well.
Oh, definitely.
And if I get my way, we're gonna have a cat.
You're allergic to cats.
They just make me sneeze and itchy, but I've had a cat for
being allergic.
Yeah, but I'm sure I'll be alright.
We'll get 2 dogs, that'll be good.
And a cat.
Have to get 2 dogs.
No, a cat.
3 kids, 2 dogs.
What are you gonna do if one of your children brings home a cat like I did with my house? I just brought Angel home as a kitten. Paddy doesn't like cats because he was attacked by a cat. And when I say attacked, like he was actually viciously attacked by a cat. It's not like, you know, a cat scratched him or something. He was ferociously attacked by a cat. When he was only, what age were you?
Very young.
Like 6, 7? Younger. And he woke up with the cat lying on his, was it lying on your chest?
On your chest. Yeah.
Lying on his chest when he woke up, and the cat just went and like scrubbed him and attacked him. So I can understand them. You just don't like them because they attacked you.
For dogs.
We're getting a cat.
Dogs are friendly.
We will have dogs. Dogs are
big dogs.
Yeah, but cats are friendly too. They're really nice. They like snuggle up to you and they're.
Put a bell on.
Anyway, we're at Tesco's now, so we're gonna run in and get our supplies, and then I'll talk to you when we are making our hot chocolate, probably. So just making some hot chocolate, and I'm making it in a big pot because I'm gonna have one, my mum's gonna have one, and Patty's gonna have one. So now it's time to add in the hot chocolate. We're gonna go for the Galaxy one. I wasn't sure whether we'd do Galaxy or whether we'd do the Cadbury's, but everyone voted Galaxy. It's fair work. I'm scared. Oh! Woo! You only get 2. Do you want more?
Yeah, one more. A few more actually, no, loads more.
Loads more. That many?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give Mum a few more. And then just a little bit of this. I think I'll make a good chef. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna drink my Christmas hot chocolate with marshmallows and watch the last episode of Mindhunter because we didn't get to see it on Friday. And I will talk to all you guys in my next vlog.